Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick, high-energy explainer. Look, if you're hunting for a fast, super effective study boost right before your exams, well, you're in the right place. We are doing a rapid-fire revision today, kind of like a workout for your brain to perfectly tune you up for test day. Let's get right into it. Welcome to Math Magnet. Learn, grow, achieve. Today, we will quickly understand polynomials. Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to master literally everything you need to know about polynomials. We're talking degrees, we're talking zeros, and some absolutely amazing graphing secrets that are going to save you so much precious time on your exams. So first up, what actually is a polynomial? I want you to draw your eyes right to that pink highlight. You see the highest power of x? That is its degree. Take 5x cubed, for example. That 3 is the boss, so the degree is 3. Simple, right? But hold on. Check out those red crosses. The powers of your variables absolutely must be whole numbers. So no x in the denominator and definitely no square roots allowed. So the crucial point is the highest power is your degree. Just lock that rule right into your memory bank, because honestly, once you've got that down, you've already won half the battle for those tricky multiple choice questions. All right, let's look at the polynomial family tree. It's kind of like a real family. Degree 1? That belongs to the linear family, like say 2x minus 3. Degree 2 is your quadratic. Think of it coming from the word square. And degree 3? Well, that's the cubic family. Super straightforward. Moving on, what in the world is a zero? Think of it like trying to hit a bullseye. Just look at that target icon. A zero is exactly the x-coordinate where the graph perfectly intersects the x-axis. It's literally where the math hits 0 perfectly. And you know, seeing is believing. Check out the pink arrows on the linear graph on the left. See how that straight line cuts the axes exactly once? One intersection means exactly 1, 0. Boom. Now look over at the cubic graph. It literally snakes its way through the axis 3 distinct times, which gives us exactly 3 zeros. Next up is the shape-shifting quadratic. These are those U-shaped parabolas that can open up or down. Now they can intersect in 2 distinct places, giving you 2 zeros, or they might just barely kiss the axis at a single point, so basically 1, 0, or sometimes, like that yellow one right there, it has a complete gap, no intersection at all, which literally means 0 zeros. Okay, listen closely, because this right here is the golden rule for test day. Are you ready? A polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros, period. Seriously, remember this. Highlight it in your brain, write it on your mirror. It is absolutely crucial. And here it is visualized for you. A degree 2 quadratic can have at most 2 zeros. A degree 3 cubic, at most 3. Never, ever more than its degree. Make sense? And this brilliantly illustrates the real link between zeros and coefficients. For any quadratic with zeros, let's call them alpha and beta. The sum of those zeros is always going to be negative b over a, and the product, always c over a. All right, you've got the theory down perfectly. You know your degrees, you know your graphical shapes, and you've memorized those formulas. So, are you ready to actually apply this and crush a real exam question together? Come on, let's do it. Let's solve x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, step 1, we are going to split that middle 7x right into 2x and 5x. Step 2, we factorize that to get x plus 2 times x plus 5. Step 3, just flip those signs to find our zeros, which gives us minus 2 and minus 5. Now, let's check the verification zone. Our sum is minus 7, which perfectly matches negative b over a. And our product is 10, perfectly matching c over a. Exam question officially conquered. Now, if you want top marks, you got to know the cubic expansion. Check out this secret pattern. Minus, plus, minus. So the sum is negative b over a, the sum of pairs is positive c over a, and the product is negative d over a. Just lock in that minus plus minus pattern and you are golden. Let's move to and see how this builds into the ultimate polynomial map. Look at this. It connects everything from those degree 1 straight lines all the way to those degree 3 S-curves. Seriously, go ahead and screenshot this map right now. It is basically your ultimate exam cheat sheet. Hope this quick revision helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Math Magnet for more easy math learning videos. But hey, before you go, if a cubic snakes through the axis 3 times, what do you think a 4th or 5th degree graph looks like? Just keep visualizing that, and I'll see you next time.